Hello, Typing.com educators. Are you looking for a way to clean up your class list without losing important student data? In this video, we'll show you how to use the Archive Class feature. From your teacher dashboard, navigate to the Classes tab on the left. Here, you'll see a list of all your active classes. To archive a class, simply click the checkbox next to the class name. This will bring up a Bulk Actions menu. From this dropdown, select Archive. A confirmation window will appear. It's important to note that archiving a class removes it from your active list, but does not permanently delete it. When a class is archived, your students can still log in and practice on Typing.com as individual users. All of their typing progress is preserved, so students don't lose any data when their class is archived. Any Plus licenses used by students in the archived class are immediately freed up and become available for active students to use. Click Archive Class to continue. You'll see that the class is no longer in your active classes list. To find your archived classes, simply click on the View Archived Classes link at the bottom of the page. This will take you to a list of all your archived classes. Now, let's say you've made a mistake or need to reactivate an old class. From the Archived Classes page, find the class you want to restore and hover over it. You'll see an Unarchive button appear on the right. Clicking this will bring up a confirmation window. You can easily unarchive a class at any time, which will instantly restore all assignments and reattach your students to the class. Click Unarchive Class to move the class back to your active list. You can then click Back to Active Classes to see your newly restored class. That's how to archive and unarchive a class on Typing.com. We hope this feature helps you stay organized. To learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.